John Newman, kantant ta' fama mondjali rinomata għad-diski tal-widna tiegħu, huwa wieħed mill-mistiedna speċjali fost artisti oħra lokali li ser jagħtu spettaklu biex pajjiżna jiftaħ is-sena l-ġdida. Dan l-ispettaklu televiżiv ser jiċċandar b'mod dirett mill-Forti Sant Iermu fuq l-istazzjonijiet lokali fosthom l-istazzjon 1 mid-disa u nofs ta' filgħaxija l qudiem biex jitgawdew mill-poplu Malti Għawdxi kollu. Mat-tokki ta' nofs il-lejl imbagħad ser ikun hemm ukoll wirja kbira tal-lob ta' nar fil-port il-kbir. One News żar il-preparamenti li qed isiru ġewwa l-Forti Sant Iermu għall-ispettaklu tal-lejla fejn hemm tkellimna mal-kantant internazzjonali John Newman. Fost l-aktar diski popolari mal-udjenzi Maltin, mis-suċċessi tiegħu hemm il-kanzunetta Love Me Again. Dwar it-tibdil li kellu jsir fl-arranġamenti tal-ispettaklu minħabba l-pandemija tal-COVID-19 huwa stqar li issa dan it-tibdil draħ minħabba li s-settur li jaħdem fih intlaqat sew mill-pandemija. Madankollu stqar li jinsab kuntent li l-Maltin u l-Għawdxin xorta waħda ser ikunu jistgħu igawdu l-ispettaklu li se joffri.
I'm so used to the change plans now. I think it's a thing that happens every time. We're just lucky to do gigs. We're lucky to do this. Whatever gig is exciting. I'm bringing my new kind of DJ live show to Malta, so it's energetic, it's fun, and hopefully people will enjoy it from home.
Newman għalilna kif l-ispettaklu tal-lejla ser ikun qed jesperimenta b'diski u enerġija ġdida li żgur ħad inżel tajjeb mat-telespettaturi.
I wanted to give this new live show, this new DJ hybrid where I've remixed my tracks and I've given it all a lot more energy. So it's going to be really exciting to see that like around the world. And yeah, I've done I think 4 shows of it now, testing it out, making sure it all works, getting ready for next year. So this is kind of the beginning of that. So it's exciting. But yeah, I think it'll catch people off guard. I think they'll be a bit like, whoa, this is very energetic, but hopefully they'll like it by the end. Yeah.
Fl-aħħar, meta mistoqsi dwar l-esperjenza tiegħu ġewwa Malta u jekk hux se jerġa' jiġi lura s-sena d-dieħla, huwa weġibna hekk.
1000%. And I don't know if it's the pandemic, but is it normally this peaceful and tranquil? It's so nice. Like I literally called my wife and was like, I could live here. Like I could live in Valletta. I think it's such a nice place. Feels really cultured, feels really nice, and I just feel really welcomed, and it's such beautiful surroundings as well. I think the sun helps as well, so yeah.